Okay, and we're going.
All right, hi guys. We are going to be making some. What are we making?
Some this.
No.
That. Oh wait. That.
Okay, so we're making shaved ice, wild orange pomegranate ices, because we just came out of the field. We were moving sheep fence, and we're all really super hot. So this is a special treat to cool us off. We were thinking, where could we go get ice cream? Where could we go get a cold drink? And then I thought, I know just the thing, and so that's why we're down here. So I'm going to use shaved ice. We have this is nice. It's a cane syrup pomegranate syrup that we use just to sweeten things sometimes, maybe cocktails. And then this is Pellegrino water, which they had a good deal on we got a case of it at Costco, so we stocked up. And then I'll add a couple drops of wild orange to each cup, so wild orange pomegranate. It should be delicious. I don't know if the kids are excited, but I'm excited. So this ice maker, our shaver, when I went to buy one a few years ago, you can see it's a little beat up, but it still works really good, and it does a really good job. It's really loud, but it was like 20 bucks I think, and it's held up this long, and we've used it for parties and 4th of July, the kids come over and they make a bunch of ices. So if you're looking for a shaved ice maker, this guy's amazing. He's a little excited. Okay, are you gonna let me push this button down? You wanna push it? You have to push really hard. Oh, I think we might have too much ice in there. Hold on. Yeah, let me take out a piece of ice. It's not what it's supposed to. Voila!
Okay, that's a mess.
We gotta finish it. It's a little bit loud. We're up to 4 glasses, so we need to get some more going. We gotta put some more ice in there.
You leave this open, okay? And don't set it yet. So I put the ice in right here. Okay? And I push the button.
So I don't know about you, but our ice maker, we've already had to have it fixed this year. Can't live without ice in this heat, but in the summertime, wait, hold on, I gotta dump this ice into the next cup. When it's real hot, ours doesn't make enough to do this a lot, so you're gonna have to probably get a bag of ice from somewhere. Look out, buddy. I don't know what happened. Okay, all right. So these would be better if they were chilled because this is gonna melt the ice pretty quickly, but it'll taste delicious. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start making one for you guys to watch, so you don't have to watch me shave more ice. This again, just bubbly water, which even just with regular ice and bubbly water, it's amazing, but the shaved ice for some reason makes it a special treat. And of course, sugary waters are everybody's favorite, or sugary syrups. And then you probably don't even need as much. Like I would say probably 2 parts of the water to 1 part of the syrup, or even less, depending on your sweetness tastes. Can you give me one of the straws, metal straws? The spoon straw? We get a straw for this. Of course, we try to use reusable straws. We don't have any plastic ones, but this makes it fun. And there's spoons on the end, so that's
What's it look like?
It looks pretty delicious. All right, Eliza, you want to sample it first and see?
Yeah, I'm gonna say. I want to taste it. It's good. I'm gonna taste it.
Oh, that's really sweet. I'm gonna add more water. So I was right. You want to cut back on the syrup. Probably, actually, even just like a tablespoon of the syrup is enough.
No, that's my cup.
Of course, if you were going to Sonic, I'm sure they would do 50-50.
Oh.
But our taste buds don't need that much sugar.
I want some.
And you know what would be good in there too is like some fresh squeezed lime juice.
Ew. How much I want to do?
All right, enjoy.